Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another informative video of ElectroPixels. Today we are going to repair this model 43-inch Full HD Sony Smart Edge LED TV. In this TV the complaint flickering display along with double image and horizontal lines on some portions of the display. See friends, this is the fault. As we discussed earlier, the reason for this types of fault is because of internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the right side or left side of the glass panel. There is a temporary panel repairing methods are available instead of panel replacement. If both sides Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. However, this is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. All types of panel display repairing a temporary fixing method except panel COF bonding repair. Other than this, repairs are temporary and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. Some will work for years after repair, some will work on few months, also some will work in few days. It depends on luck basis. It will work until the opposite side gets shorted. See friends, here we opened the TV back cover. See, this TV comes with a full HD LG panel. You can notice the LG TCON board in TV. Also, these are the TV motherboard and SMPS board. See, this LG TCON board represents two FFC cables which are connected to the both left and right side panel scaler boards. See, if we turn on the TV you can notice that the complaint is still visible. See friends, these are the Gatesignals tracks, represents both right side and left side of the glass panel. See friends, here first we are going to implement the taping method for blocking the Gatesignals entering to the glass panel from the shorted side. So here we are going to mask the Gatesignal tracks from the FFC cable through taping method. You need to block the last 12 to 15 connections. See friends, this is the panel and TCON board model number. Anyway, let's start the repair. Here first we are going to block the left side's Gatesignals using taping method. For that, let's remove left side FFC cables. Now let's block the portion of Gatesignals using taping method. See friends, now let's fix this tape. See finally, now masking is successfully completed. Now let's fix it by reconnecting the FFC cable in left side TCON board. See friends, now we reconnected the FFC cable back TCON board. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. If picture is okay, then do nothing. If picture is not correct, then reverse all the process done in current side and perform this same operations on opposite side. See friends, after blocking left side Gatesignals, now the picture is gone and display condition becomes more worse than earlier. See, it's a white shaded picture with no graphics problem, so 70% the problem with right side Gatesignals. Now let's remove the masking tape from left side FFC cable. See, now left side FFC cable, we removed the masking the tape. Now let's remove right side FFC cable and block Gatesignals and check picture. Finally, the taping method is done. If both side Gatesignals are short, then this method will not work anyway. Now the right side Gatesignals masking is completed successfully. So let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now TV is turned. Now the picture comes without any types of display complaints like double image and display flickering. Now the picture is clear and the TV is repaired successfully as we discussed earlier. Once again I repeat, this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. Actually, these types of display repairing methods will affect the quality of the picture, but it's not visible to human eyes. Because of that, it doesn't matter. Actually, the lifespan of these displays after this temporary fixing method we can't predict. It completely depends on the user usage with the TV and mainly user luck basis. Anyway, at present now the TV is working fine. So that's it. Hope you like this informative video regarding all types of LCD LED TV display related topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.